A lot has changed. It used to be Joe's Auto Parts. You'd go to Joe and Joe knew you and he'd get you the auto part that you needed. And Joe now doesn't exist anymore. There's all the corporate Napas or the corporate O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto Parts and that. So we've had to gear ourselves to the mass retailer. You just have to be flexible and boy, you have to diversify to stay strong. My name is Paul Gillund, and I am the owner of JB Distributing Gillund Enterprises. Back in 1971, my father started out of our garage. What we do is we sell automotive additives, lubricants, and chemicals for cars, trucks, tractors to run cooler, smoother, and last longer. Originally, 85 years ago, if not a little bit longer ago now, three brothers, Ed, Zeke, and Gus Justice, started the Justice Brothers Automotive Additive Company, which has blossomed over the years from 3 to 4 products many, many years ago, now up to over 65 products in the line. We're an independent distributor for them. Our distributorship is the 5 states of North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, and Wisconsin, and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. We call on all sorts of different accounts, from automotive to agricultural to industrial manufacturing. Back when my dad started, there was a service station on every corner, and that was what we concentrated on. Unfortunately, as time passed, we had some underground tank laws that caused for a lot of these guys to quit, and that's where the convenience stores started popping up. That's where your Quick Trips, 7-Elevens, Casey's, and things like that, and they did not have service, so we had to adjust our business model. In the old days, it was more handshakes and a smile, and it doesn't have the same touch. I'm not going to say that it's bad, but it is different dealing with corporate America. I came into the company 38 years ago. I believe that the agricultural industry would be quite a boost for us because we live in the Corn Belt. We started doing a lot of farm shows, and lo and behold, we met a lot of implement dealers. And that really boosted our bottom line. It really helped us immensely to diversify, and that was the key to it now. That's about 50% of our business now is the agricultural side, where 75% of our business back then was the independent service stations and gas stations. My mother was a bookkeeper for us for many years, and with payroll and independent contractors and company employees, it got to be a lot. And my dad figured out that that was too much for one person to handle, and thus ran into CSI. Things just got more efficient from there on. We could see where our problems were once we start seeing a P&L statement. We could depict our problems and depict our pluses and concentrate on what we do well and not concentrate on the bad thing. Get rid of the fluff and get rid of the things that we didn't need. And for us, it was consolidating. Maybe we didn't need 26 sales reps out there, which was a lot to handle and a lot of expense with, as you can imagine, payroll and fuel costs and Social Security taxes, income taxes. All of this stuff was very costly. And by combining some territories, making larger territories in that, and downsizing the staff, that's become much more efficient. And that's what CSI helped us to realize. Like any business, I carry a line of credit. I haven't used that credit since I've started doing this. It was much different before that. So I've never touched my line of credit now in 7 years, where it was continuous before. I don't want debt. I don't want overhead. I want to be as efficient as possible. The building we sit in here and the property is all paid for. All of our fleet is paid for. All of our product is paid for before it even gets here. That makes me sleep better at night. When my father passed away, the transition started out very tough. I can remember years ago when my grandmother was in poor health, and she said, well, we'll just give you boys the farm. Well, you can't do that. Unfortunately, Grandma's from old school, and she just figured that she can just say, here, you can have this. That doesn't happen. You have to have it in paper, and that's where the legality happens with your attorney side, and also on your accounting side, the evaluation of all that is precise. Although we did have an estate plan, we also had to figure out some things that we didn't plan for. And with the help of Brian and Sam, I learned a boatload of information that I had not thought of before. I would not have been able to make that through, to be honest with you. I couldn't have done it alone. With their help, the transition became seamless. It was invaluable. I can't put a price tag on that. There'll be someday, I'm sure, that it'll come the same thing when I have to sell, and I know they'll be in my corner. I can't remember the exact how many years it's been that Sam has been with us now. He can figure out things pretty quickly if I have questions on things, and it's hard to find those people. I don't care who you are. If you don't have that honesty and integrity, I don't trust those type of people. It'd be like a financial advisor that you didn't trust. And this is your wealth. If you don't trust them, you better get the heck out of there. Look, we live in Minnesota, and the wind blows hard and payroll changes. It's hard to keep up on all of that. It's been very, very good working with the payroll side there. And that's made a huge difference in our efficiency because of all the tax law changes with payroll. Brian has created quite an entity in CSI. I mean, it is, 4, 5, 6 times bigger than what it was when we first started. After 38 years of doing this, there were some times where you really wondered, which way you're going and what's the next step in that. And having a good accounting firm in your corner, that's one less thing that you have to worry about. I can't save my way to profit. I have to go out and sell. So therefore, it allows me to increase my staff. It allows me to sell personally. It allows me to get that bigger whale of account. You can put your head down at night and sleep and say, I've done the best I can. Traveling with my wife now more so than I used to because I was on the road constantly and trade shows and that, and enjoying the fruits of what we do. Work, makes Paul a dull boy. So you got to have a little play in there in order to enjoy life, because there's a lot of blessings around us. Just look around, they're everywhere. We're so confident with CSI, we've referred many a customer to them. I wouldn't refer somebody if I didn't have the confidence like I have with CSI. And that's how good they are. It just makes me feel better that I'm sending a friend or a customer to the right person. And they've done it for so many years that there is no question if it's going to work or not.